More. Come on, come on, come on. What you said?
I want real eyes.
Seriously? Come on, Bella. Blue eyes. Why do you want your eyes? That's from mommy. Your eyes is from mommy. Your eyes is pretty.
No, but I want real eyes.
Come on. Straight your head like that. Ano na lang maisip mong bata ka. Come on, straight like that. Stop moving.
Tie my wipper.
Okay.
Like Merlin. Me. Don't tie like Wednesday.
I don't even know what's Wednesday her tie.
No. You tie like Wednesday.
Bella, quiet. What's wrong with you?
You tie like Wednesday. I'm Merlin.
Quiet. Okay, get down. I can't tie it up there. So, nandito kami guys. Magkakapi kami ni Dai Gina Lynn. Doon pa siya umorder. Sarap dito magkapi-kapi. Oo, ang dami pa. Kanya lang yan lahat. Kasi nagpapataba daw siya.
Namumulubi, tapos panibang kain.
Wala daw siya sinisweldo, pero panay ang kain. Yan lang yung walang sinisweldo na panay ang kain.
I didn't see you. I saw her and I didn't see you.
Hi! Wow, what is that?
Surprise for you.
Oh,
Honey,
okay, let's go. Is that for me?
Show you.
What's that? Wow,
Would you
okay.
like this
Thank you,
one?
baby. Dai, ano yan, Dai? Ang cute. Ang cute yan. Did you see that, baby? Wow, that's so cute. Let's go. So, hi guys. So, ayan. Dahil nga sabi ko nung nakaraan, kukunin ko ang pinaka-first na roses na lalabas. So, ayan. May dumi-dumi pa yung ating damit. Pinaka-first na roses na lalabas, guys. Kasi gusto kong ilagay dito sa loob. So, ayan na nga. Tinanggal ko na siya. Ito yung pinakaunang roses na nakuha ko o lumabas. So, natutuwa ako. Diba? Hoy, get out there. Miming, get out. Get out there. What are you doing? Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda. Ay! Huy, huy, huy. Get out there, Miming. Hindi ko ito ginagawa. Ngayon ko lang ito ginawa kasi tuwang-tuwa akong hinihintay ito silang lumabas. Tapos, ngayon lang sila pinakaunang lumabas. Miming, get out there. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa talaga pag meron kang tanim. I-display natin ito. Ooh, ang cute. You doing, Bella? Are you done?
Yeah. Got your flower.
It's mommy's flower. Do you like it?
No, no.
Do you like it?
I got no.
You got none? No, you can touch this, baby. There's a lot of thorns. You're gonna get hurt. Okay?
I got no.
Do not touch it. Look at mommy. He's trying not to touch it, really.
Next time you
Next time, I'm gonna give you.
a flower like that's real flower
Yeah, it's real flour. Okay?
for Bella.
For Bella.
And I'm going to show it to Miss Amanda.
Okay. Show it to Miss Amanda.
Mommy, I want to help you.
No, you can't touch it, baby. Mommy's trying not to get hurt. There's a lot of thorns. It can hurt you. Okay?
Tommy.
So, ayan siya, guys. So,
Here, my Tommy.
okay.
I want to play.
So, meron pang
Stop.
dalawa.
Yeah. I like your flower, Mom.
Thank you, baby.
Mommy, that time in my flower, it gets
Ow.
glowing.
Yeah. See, mommy's hurt. That's why I don't want you to touch it.
Oh, cause you got spiky.
You got spiky.
You not touching the spiky.
Yeah, you get hurt. You'll get hurt.
You're trying to
Ayan.
catch
Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, Miming. Get out there.
Mimi.
His name is Miming.
Mimi. Thomas
So,
Shirley.
ayan.
Thomas Mimi.
Mhm.
That's Thomas Shirley's
Get natin ng
box.
tubig. Yes.
Yeah, this is my, Mommy, this is my cane.
This is your what?
I take this off now. I put Mimi
Hindi
up.
siya pwede.
Go down. Come on, Tom. You okay?
He's okay.
Yeah, he's okay.
Mommy get hurt.
Yeah, I don't. My head don't get hurt.
Yeah. That's why you shouldn't touch this, baby.
Okay, I don't touch it next time.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I touched the top. I can't touch
Uh-huh.
this. I can touch the
Yeah,
top.
look at that.
Not that.
Yeah. So, yan na siya, guys.
Nope.
So,
That.
yan siya,
Mommy,
guys.
Mommy, we see Mommy and he can the water.
What?
Mommy, I drink water.
It's over.
We still don't get it. The bomb was only the beginning. Right now, our people are moving in on the Joint Chiefs.
Yeah?
We've got everyone ready.
What did you do in school today?
It was raining. That was like Bella.
You know, why is Teacher Amanda get mad to your classmate, friend?
Cause
Because what?
her make a mess. Her book Miss Amanda Flower in Miss Amanda Flower and I did it last night.
Oh, she broke the flower?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's